Good mighty morning, Owls. This is Miss Weiner. Today is Monday, April 19th, 2021. Please rise and help me recite the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing and help me recite the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one, indivisible. Now it's time for our owl pledge. Say it with me. I will succeed in school with wisdom and with knowledge. I'll give 100%. I will go to college. I'll do whatever it takes, just like my parents do. I'll sweat the small stuff, just like my teachers do. I'll give no excuses each and every day. I'll close the achievement gap, working hard in every way. With my team and family, I give my owl pledge. I will succeed in school with wisdom and knowledge. Go Owls! Hoot hoot! Now for a moment of silence. You may be seated. As you know, Idea South Florida Academy is the best elementary school in the state of Texas. Good things happen here every day. Here's some things your families can read about in the Family Weekly. This Friday, the 23rd of April, there is no school. No school on this Friday. Also, scholars, remember, we're looking to find out who's going to win our attendance drawing this month. So make sure you attend school every day. Also, I put some important dates coming up in May in our Family Weekly. So have your parents check it out. I didn't put times yet, just dates. Also, scholars, remember that at the end of the school year, you have to turn in your computers just like if they were turning in books, okay? So you will be turning those in, checking them in so we can get them cleaned up and ready for next school year. If you have any questions, please ask your homeroom teachers or call one of our assistant principals. All right, scholars, have an amazing day. It's a great day to learn. Hoot hoot!